Hello and welcome back to my channel, my peace love. How you guys doing? Today is going to be a very different vlog kind of video. I've never made these, but I thought I'm in this journey, so I'll come and share it with you guys. So I'm going to show you guys in this particular video what I eat in a day to lose weight. I have previously lost tons of weight in the lockdown, and I'm planning to get back to that routine. And that's been like 4 or 5 years ago, and I have not been able to achieve my personal body goals and be the fittest version of myself since then. I had lost around 10 kilos during the lockdown, and I'm planning to do the same exact routine this year in 2025. So I thought I'll come and share it with you guys. I'll share you my journey, and along the way, एक video में तो सारा information I won't be able to give you, but I'm going to show you guys what I eat in the morning for breakfast, lunch, dinner. I'm going to follow a intermittent fasting sort of a routine that has worked beautifully for me. Also, along with that, I will show you guys my home workouts, my walks, everything I do. I don't go to the gym, everything I do on my own, listen to my body, have the mind body connection, and I am going to start this routine. So, I will take you guys along. I'll show you guys all the details, all the recipes that you guys want, and there are some yummy, healthy versions of it. So definitely please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, hit the notification bell, and yeah, let's just do this journey together. So the first thing that I have in the morning is this jeera ajwain pani. This is just the soaked jeera and ajwain of the previous night, and I warm it up in the morning and have it with some 5 almonds. And at around 10:30 I take my immunity shot. This has got vitamin C. This is just great for your skin, your hair, and overall immunity and health. So it's very easy to make this, guys. You just have to take like 2 amlas, little bit of haldi, like kacha haldi, and little bit of adrak, like just tiny bit, chop it up, add some peppercorns to it, like whole peppercorns, put all that in a mixer and add some water, just little bit to dilute the whole thing, and you mix it up and you strain it really well. It takes some time to strain it, but the juice that you get out of this concoction is pure vitamin C. It will help boost your immunity, it will give glow to your skin. So I insist you definitely have this in the morning after your ajwain and jeera water. I'll show you guys how to make the ajwain jeera water as well in the next video. This tastes very bad, but it's very good for health. मैं इसको ना दवाई समझ के पी जाती हूँ because it's just good for my skin and immunity. And next at 12 p.m. I have a little bit of watermelon juice. Sometimes I juice it, mostly I just have it whole. If you can have it whole, great. Sometimes I just get bored, so I just add some ice and juice it up while I finish my work in the morning. Whatever work I have throughout the day, I write it in the previous day, whatever my plan of the day is, and I just do like 2 hours of no phone, but just my work and my editing and everything in those 2 hours in the morning. And I enjoy my morning drink, like some fruits, some fruit juices, or whatever. It's just me time and pure work. Next for lunch, I have pure ghar ka khana, whatever is made at home, whatever everyone else eat, but in less portion. So I have around 150 grams of white rice, little bit of bhindi, little bit of patta gobi ki sabzi, like cabbage sabzi, and a fish curry because I'm a Bengali. So fish adds protein, and I try to have protein to all my meals. And I love having raita, you guys. This is a beetroot raita, which is very good probiotics, and you should have yogurt or some form of yogurt, buttermilk, anything. If you guys want this recipe, let me know. It's so yummy, and it looks also very delicious. It has got beetroot, and it has got your basic homemade hung curd. If you guys want to know how to make curd at home or how to make hung curd at home, please let me know in the comment section. I'll show you guys that recipe as well. I have multiple yogurt recipes which I would love to share with you guys. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comment section. So I enjoy my meals as well, just some mindful portion control, home cooked meal, nothing fancy, basic chawal, sabzi, and very important thing is to add the protein, guys. So for snacks, I'm going to show you a very amazing option. So I've taken some boiled kabuli chana and kidney beans like rajma, and I'm going to make, I have soaked it the previous night and I've boiled it, and I just keep it in the fridge and I take it out and I just keep it to room temperature, add some pepper, little bit of salt, little bit of red chili powder if you like tikha, and this is going to make an amazing chaat. I have this around 5:30, between 5:30 to 6 after my lunch whenever I feel hungry, or I just want to snack on something. This is an amazing option. Chop some onions, little bit of green chili, add some dhania like coriander, fresh coriander. Chili is optional, of course, if you like tikha, and definitely don't forget to add tomatoes. Tomatoes add that tanginess, and it just tastes so amazing. Like, just try this recipe out, guys, and add all of the veggies to the kabuli chana and the rajma boiled, and just add some lemon for the tanginess. And I also like to add some chili flakes because I love tikha and I love that tanginess. So I again add a little bit of chaat masala. You do you, okay? You can add amchur powder, whatever you want. Just can you see the colors? It looks so colorful. It's super healthy, rich in protein, high fiber, very filling, and very healthy snack. So this is something I absolutely will recommend. Try it out. Along with this, guys, I have my black coffee. So I have an espresso machine. If you guys want to know how I make my coffee, like my black coffee, my cappuccino, whatever, a healthier cappuccino, of course, and how I use this machine, I got this from Amazon, let me know. I'll make a detailed video on how to use a home coffee machine, or else if you don't own a machine, I'll also show you how to make instant black coffee at home with your regular coffee as well. So let me know whatever you want to know, okay? Just leave it in the comment section and I'll do it for you guys. So I enjoy my black coffee. A lot of people don't like black coffee, but this is an acquired taste. I used to absolutely hate coffee without sugar, but this is a game changer. You can add a little bit of ghee to it and make it like a bulletproof coffee, or you can just have plain black coffee, either hot or cold. I'll also show you guys how to make a cold iced americano, but just avoid your regular tea with sugar or milk. Just switch to black tea, black coffee, anything that does not have milk and sugar, okay? That adds extra calorie. Now for dinner, I'm going to keep it really simple. I'm going to have this chicken leg piece soup. I just like having this simple dinner. It keeps me full and it's also tasty. Actually, it's very simple to make. Let me know if you guys want to know how I made this simple yet very tasty and juicy soup. It's very filling, it's super healthy, low in carbs, and finish your dinner by 7 p.m., guys. That's a game changer. And lastly, at night, before I sleep around 9:30, I have this chamomile tea. You can have a green tea if you feel hungry also late at night, because if you have dinner early you might feel hungry. This does stop my hunger and it helps me sleep better. So chamomile teas and any sort of detox teas are very calming. It helps you sleep better. It just improves your overall health, and sleeping for 8 hours is extremely important if you want to lose weight. So more about losing weight and what all supplements you need. You need to sleep, how you can regulate your sleep, all that jazz. If you guys are interested, let me know. I'll make a separate video on that, on journaling, on meditation, what exercise I do. Till then, subscribe to my channel. If this video was helpful and you want to join me in this journey, definitely subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll try to put up as many weight loss videos as possible so that it's helpful for you guys. And also, please hit the like button, share as much as you can so that it keeps me also motivated to make these videos. And I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.